Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Google Meet on your device or in your Windows desktop. So first head into meet.google.com and make sure that you have already logged in the right Google account for this setup. After heading into their main page, you can see here the new meeting button. But for this video, we are installing Google Meet. So head into the top right until you see this icon, which is indicated as Install Google Meet. Click this icon and then click the install button. And that's it. As you can see here, we are redirected to the Meet application or Google Meet application. And that's how you can install Google Meet on Windows or desktop. And thank you for listening.